Slowly. Okay, perfect.
Straight.
Yeah,
This
the
needs to be
poster.
filled as best as we can.
The steering wheel is all sanded. We match the color perfectly. Show us the clouds out there. Fill these cracks up. Keep your chin up. And there we go. Hi people, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are working on this beautiful 1998 Jaguar XK8. So what we're gonna do today is get the steering wheel refurbed. So far Sasha got the steering wheel cleaned up. We got it taped as well to protect the areas that we don't want painted, obviously. Now Sasha is gonna sand the steering wheel down. We're gonna wipe it with alcohol, try to make it as flat as possible. Then we're gonna start painting it. Show us the clouds out there. Yeah, that's all the dirt on the steering wheel. Oh my god. Well, it's gonna be good before and after anyways. This is what it looks like after it's been sanded down. And then get ready for a paint. Now it's ready for painting this lovely steering wheel. By the way, we are dying laughing for the last 10 minutes at least trying to make this video. New ideas, left, right, center, so should be fun. Got some snimat också. He's gone time. Another thing is the seats a different color. So what we will have to do is we mixed paint for the steering wheel. Now we have to mix another paint to match this lovely interior. So hopefully we're gonna get it right. This one was quick enough as well. Well, it took you, what, 10 minutes? So should be okay. We'll see how it's gonna turn out. So paint is all mixed up, tasty. And it's gonna be on the steering wheel there. So Sasha's gonna dab it in. First coat out of many getting done. I'd say owner is gonna be over the moon when he sees it. So yeah, this side has been done. We got the tape off. Tomorrow we're gonna apply the conditioner.
Top coat tomorrow and then conditioner afterwards.
Yeah, but look at that, some difference. Now
Next
onto
side.
the other side, yeah. Now Sasha is gonna do the other side, then we're gonna take the masking tape off. We'll see how it looks after, just to compare the two. So that's it for today. We got the steering wheel painted. Tomorrow we'll be putting a top coat when it's fully dry and cured, and we'll be doing this seat as well and get it looking better. So stay tuned for that. Cloudy morning, perfect weather to continue working on this Jaguar. We will have it one day. Keep your chin up. So yeah, continue working on this car. Today we're gonna put the top coat on the steering wheel, fill these cracks up and start painting. So we have everything set up there, nice and tidy on the lift. And
Floors are dirty though.
we've been busy, been working. So this is the top coat that we are putting as protection. Sasha is very passionate about this, as you can tell. Yeah, but steering wheel does look great. I'd say it looks better in person than it does on the camera. Or I need glasses, it's either or. So one side is finished, yeah? Then we get closer. So top coat is done on this side here. We still got to do this one. Look at the finish on that now. Very, very nice. Does look lovely. For what, 27-year-old steering wheel and a 27-year-old leather. Looks fresh again. Hopefully owner is gonna be happy with it. Now after steering wheel has been finished, top coat on, fully done. We're gonna take the seat out, launch it up there. 3 hours later. Bolts are out. Sasha took them out. Now we have to disconnect the battery.
Yeah, we have to disconnect. We have to do
it's two people job. Then we're gonna leave the car sit for 5 to 10 minutes until all the computer. Actually, we should start with this. Until all computers are fully off, so we can disconnect the wiring loom and eventually take the seat out onto our table for some surgical procedures. Yeah, battery has been disconnected for what, Sash? 10 minutes now. That was the quietest I ever heard in my life. Anyways. Ima puno kabla. Koliko džekova? Yeah, Sasha is gonna carefully disengage the plug and remove this seat. Oh, it needs to click. See, that's it. Now you can take it out. Slowly. Perfect. What a strong man. This seat weighs about 100 kilos.
I'd say 200.
So what we have to do is we have to clean all this mess.
This gunk. This needs to be re-sprayed.
Yeah,
This needs to be filled as best as we can.
because there's a creases and cracks.
Just
Gonna start off with cleaning the seats, cleaning the rails, covering the plastics, and most importantly covering the car itself, because we don't want this shiny paint to be covered in the leather paint. So let's get started. So seat has been cleaned, prepared, all the plastics have been taped up. So now Sasha's gonna mix the paint to match the leather paint, obviously. So the next step is filling up the cracks in the leather. So we'll be using the filler. Most boring process, but it has to be done. It's ready.
Ready already.
Oh, ready already.
Let's give it a go, see how it's gonna go.
So this is the first coat. More filler because this thing shouldn't be there. And there we go, fully painted. Obviously some creases are left, but we can do nothing with that. For 27-year-old seat, amazing. Sasha did a good job. Good job, Sash. Yeah, it looks all well. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna leave it sit now overnight until it's fully dry. Then sand it down with 5000 grit until we get that smooth finish. And then, conditioner after, yeah. And that's it. Should be good for a good few years now. Now next up, what we have to do is seat back in, leave the car sit for a night. And then Saturday, today is Thursday, Saturday she's gonna be ready to collect, because we don't want anyone to be sitting on the seats for at least 2 days until they're fully cured and everything is fully done. That's a wrap for this one. We hope you liked the video. Here's a few outside pictures of this Jaguar that left our garage looking brand new, both inside and outside. Make sure to like this video, let us know your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to our channel. Ciao.